Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start day to analyze the movements of gold futures in different time frames. While the gold futures moved with a steep upward move up to the current levels makes me suspicious. Gold looks to be in overbought territory now as the US and China look very near to resolve tariff trade war concern. Therefore, I find that this sudden steep upward move of gold futures has enhanced suspicion among the traders a lot. They look to be in dilemma to go long or to be on the sideline. So friends, let us see how the gold futures may remain in the days ahead. Friends, this is a daily chart of gold futures. Here you can see movements of gold futures. The gold futures since May 2018 were moving downward from the levels of $1357, and this downward trend continued till August 16th, 2018 when we witnessed some consolidation above the level of $1199, and after a consolidation at this level till October 2018 we witnessed some buying spree in gold futures, but we found some exhaustion at the level of $1251 on October 29, 2018 when the gold futures once again touched the lows of $1215 in November 2018. But friends, now here you can see since November 2018 we have witnessed a strong upward move in gold futures, and the gold rallied up to the levels of $1303 where the gold futures found their first resistance and moved downward with a steep downward move. But once again, here you can see that since January 24, 2019, we have seen a good buying spree in gold futures when they moved up to the levels of $1330, and since then we found some selling at these levels, and once again we can see here that the gold moved downward back up to the level of $1307. But once again on February 14, 2019, you can see a good steep upward move in gold futures up to the levels of $1342 where the gold futures are currently trading. Friends, here I find the gold futures have reached in a overbought territory where I find some signs of exhaustion in gold futures, and I find a one more step in upward direction will result in sharp selling bouts, because these are the levels where the gold futures attract bears, because I find that these levels gold bears will enter in the scenario and will start selling from these levels. So I find one more steep upward move will result in a sharp selling bouts during the days ahead, because the gold move up to these levels due to the growing concerns of tariff trade war, and I find the US and China both are going to resolve this problem very shortly. So once we find the tariff trade war concern is resolved, we will see an exhaustion in gold futures with steep downward moves, because if we look at the current movements of gold in a short time frame, we will find that the preliminary signs of exhaustion are evident here. Let us see the movements of gold futures in an hourly chart. So here you can see that the gold futures which were moving upward, here you can see that some signs of exhaustions can be seen very clearly in an hourly chart. This formation of an exhaustive candle in an hourly chart followed by this red candle indicates advent of a downward trend in gold futures. So I find a downward move below the level of $1337 in next few hours will confirm the continuation of a downward move in gold futures, and I find a move below the level of $1330 will indicate the continuation of a downtrend in gold futures. No doubt that the gold futures may find some support at the level of $1318 in a downward trend from where the gold futures may take an upward move once again, but I find that the level of $1340 will provide stiff resistance during an upward move. So friends, I find that these signs of exhaustion are evident enough for beginning of a downward trend in gold futures. Here you can see the current movements of gold futures in a 15-minute chart, where you can see that the 20 days exponential moving average has come below the 20 days moving average, which indicates the continuation of a downward move in gold futures from the current level. So once again, let us move back to the daily chart of the gold futures. So here you can see that formation of this cup with handle going to complete now, and now I find that an exhaustive move up to the levels of $1225 will complete the formation of a cup with handle, from where we will find the gold futures to move once again upward. So I find gold futures are evident enough to go short with a stop loss at $1376. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.